Buena familia, hoy estamos en Florida 135, la catedral del tecno. Y a mí se me olvida algo, un segundito. Ahora me tienes que contar qué hacías tú por ahí dentro, por los almacenes de Florida. ¿Qué hacías tú por ahí? A ver, cuéntame.
Pues nada, estaba por ahí perdido buscando a alguien del Front 242. De hecho, he encontrado uno de los cuatro. Y con nosotros el señor Patrick, que hablará de su historia en Internet Florida 135 y en España. Así que vamos a ver qué dice.
Vamos a ver qué nos cuenta. Open up.
I guess you all know that one, right? Yeah, right on. Are you heads? Are you hunters? You better be hunters. Knock it.
We came here in 85 for the first time.
In Florida 135?
Yes.
All right, okay.
It was the first Spanish tour.
First Spanish tour.
Yeah.
Right, and how was it back then at the time?
Oh, it was a real surprise for everybody.
Yeah.
For the people, for us. I think it's... People here kind of never heard of electronic concerts.
Yeah.
I mean, they heard of electronic music a bit, but the concert was something very special.
Was the first
For the
thing.
owner of the place also, people really liked it.
Okay, and how is it tonight then, the differences are between?
Well, it's different because tonight is many more young people.
Yeah.
It's less curious people, more people who are used to electronic music. So it's a very different crowd.
Okay.
But for us, it's still the same work we have to do to try to bring people to another type of electronic music than really the pure techno.
Today he has no means, he's alone and anonymous, but quick and in his cells, he's got the marks of a genius. I'm looking for this man, to sell him to other man, to sell him to other man, to make us rich and famous. One, you lost the target. Two, you made the line. Three, you slowly spread the net. And four, you
Your evolution in the music and your sound from back in the day to today, obviously now in 30 years in a career, how has it evolved in some sort of way?
Well, it's much more difficult now because at the time we had only a few machines and you could only do a certain type of music with those machines. It was very difficult to use. Today there are millions of sounds, millions of ways of doing music, so it's much more difficult to be an innovator. But we keep the same reflexes, the same way of thinking as when we were young like in the early 80s. So that helps because it's another way of thinking how to create music.
All right, okay.
It's a really old-fashioned but also old-school way of thinking about how to create music.
Okay. New upcoming projects that we've got, we've heard something about some sort of new DJ projects of the band?
We have, well, the band is first of all going back to studio work, so we hope to release a new album in 2012.
All right.
So we'll bring new tracks, but also the band members, some band members of the band, but myself, I'm doing DJ sets.
Okay.
So I'm doing some DJ sets in Spain with Andreas.
Okay.
And hopefully we can start to work on tracks also to bring some stuff on the market.
Oh, okay, nice, interesting then.
Okay.
All right, well thank you so much Patrick for your time here with us
You're
today.
welcome.
And I wish you all the best and hope to see you soon.
Okay, thank you
All
very
right.
much.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice one.
Bueno, Andrés, esto es todo por hoy. Front 242, tremendo live.
Increíble.
Hemos vuelto al pasado, hemos cogido la máquina del tiempo, nos hemos trasladado a mucho tiempo atrás de los inicios del techno. Y bueno, nos vamos a ir ya a descansar, que nos toca, ¿no?
Nos toca ya descansar un poco. Así que nos vemos la semana que viene ya en el roll de vuelta. Próximamente aquí en el Florida 135.
Open up, familia.
Open up.